discuss about the GATE previous question paper from the subject of communication system. The topic is related to the noise in amplitude modulation. The question given as the input to a coherent detector is a DSB SC signal plus noise. The noise at the detector output is either that in-phase component or the quadrature component or zero or the envelope. Okay, this is the question given in the year of 2003. Okay, now see the solution for this one. Okay, here a coherent detector is taken. For this coherent detector a DSB signal plus noise is given. Okay, always coherent detector rejects the coherent detector rejects quadrature component of noise. That means the quadrature component of the noise is completely eliminated by coherent detector, just it passes the only in phase component of the noise. Now the final output consists of only in phase component noise only. In phase component noise only. So the output consists of the only in phase component with respect to noise only. Now the option is A.